This video is initiated by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, Pre-Primary Section, Maharashtra Board. Myself, Mrs. Poonam Chaudhary. This video is for Senior KG students. Subject English. Topic Sounds of OW. So let us start, children. In our previous videos, we have learned the sound of GR, ST, ND and ING. So now let us learn the sound of OW. Let us learn few words with the sound OW. The first is pillow, PILLOW, pillow. The next is tomorrow, TOMORROW, tomorrow. YELLOW, yellow. The next is arrows, ARROWS, arrows. Show, SHOW, show. The next is BOW, bow. The next is BOWL, bowl. The next is SNOW, snow. The next is ARROW, arrow. So these are the few. Let us learn the first sentence with OW sound. My pillow has a yellow cover. In this, pillow and yellow has the OW sound. PILLOW, pillow. YELLOW, yellow. My pillow has a yellow cover. The next sentence is, we shall go to see the magic show tomorrow. So in this, there are two OW sounds, that is SHOW, show, TOMORROW, tomorrow. So the sentence is, we shall go to see the magic show tomorrow. Show and tomorrow are the OW sound. The next sentence is, we shoot arrows with a bow. In this, the OW sound is arrows and bow. ARROWS, arrows. BOW, bow. We shoot arrows with a bow. Arrows and bow are the words with OW sound. The next sentence is, this bowl is made of clay. This bowl is made of clay. So in this, which is the OW sound, children? Yes, it's bowl. BOWL, bowl. This bowl is made of clay. Next sentence is, the tree is covered with snow. The tree is covered with snow. In this, the OW sound is snow. SNOW. It ends with OW. SNOW. The tree is covered with snow. So, snow is the word which ends with OW sound. The next sentence is, we keep arrows in a quiver. We keep arrows in a quiver. The OW sound is arrows. ARROWS, arrows, which is OW sound. So, we keep arrows in a quiver. So, children, hope you all understood the OW pronunciation, the OW sound also. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Be safe.